you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw money from GatesFX. And for this we are now on our dashboard, and if you click on funds you will see here withdraw funds. So right now we go here to withdraw funds, and then it says withdraw from, and then we select our wallet because we want to put money from our wallet to another wallet or to our bank. Then after that we click on withdraw, and then we do crypto, and then right now you need to select your payment details where you want to withdraw to. That is also why he's asking you do not have any payment details saved. Please upload your payment details. So if you don't have any payment method saved, make sure that you click on this and then you link your payment method to this. And once you did that, you can select right here which one you want to use, and then you do continue, and then you can withdraw your money from GatesFX. So this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.